absolutely love the blended format of the course. I was fortunate to come about 23 years ago when they were in the other building when I first started learning general. So I came that week and had to do classes here and then on site scanning. And this time I got to learn at home at my own pace the course before, because echo is so overwhelming that it's just been amazing that I got to do it before I came and have this knowledge and then go straight into the scanning. So it's been absolutely tremendously a great opportunity. I've loved it. Hands-on has been great. The techs that have come in, they were wonderful with 30 years experience, and they have been very hands-on with us and answered any questions we needed and just been right there with us through it all, and it's been very helpful. If you're thinking about doing blended course, I absolutely recommend it. Like I said, it was a great opportunity to learn a month before I got here. My situation was a little bit different because I wasn't working as much, so I had a lot of time to really go through all 19 of the modules, take all the tests, and then I had a great opportunity with the place that hired me that we've been in a lab ourselves and learning. So this is just like amazing that I came here. It's been absolutely perfect, and I couldn't have asked for a better opportunity.